again, this is Chad the Van Man with Sherry Vans in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're going to be having a look at a 2022 Chrysler Voyager that we got. It has about 45,000 miles on it that we sent out and had it turned into a wheelchair accessible van. So let's have a look. So this one's silver in color and it's a manual rear ramp that we had added to this. With the Voyagers, this does have remote start, which is built in, van's already running. But with this key fob, you can open and close the side doors and the rear hatch. Alright, go ahead and close these because it is stupid cold out here today, folks. Little latches here that hold this. So this ramp is like hydraulic assisted. There's only like 7 pounds of pressure with it. You can raise and lower this thing easily with your foot. When they cut this bumper out, this has all been ceramic coated, so this isn't going to rust. And then there's this track here, so if the van's ever rear-ended, this ramp cannot be pushed up into the van. This is all ADA compliant. It's the heavy duty rubber flooring. And there's also tie downs here for 2 wheelchairs, spots for 2 wheelchairs. It only comes with 1 set of tie downs. They're inside here. These are the Q straight tie downs. It's like a fancy ratchet strap that will pull right out. Push this little red button here. That will pull out, and then you can push it and it'll pull it back in. But this set of tie downs you can put anywhere on these little knuckles here, and then if you wanted to get another set of tie downs, you could, and you could have 2 wheelchairs in here at once. Whew, man, it is freezing out here today. If you have any questions on this van, the first comment beneath the video is a link to its listing with like 3 dozen photos, pricing, vehicle history report. And this button here will close the hatch as well, so you can do it from the fob or you can do it from there. And you can also do it from up front. We have power seats for the driver and the passenger. So have tilt and telescoping steering wheel, power windows, power locks, power headlights, Bluetooth controls, cruise controls. So have reverse camera on it. And this has the Uconnect system here, so it's touch screen. We've got heated steering wheel, heated seats for the driver and the passenger. And you've got more controls up here on the front. So now I'm gonna run around the outside real quick and try to point out any blemishes I can find on this, because it is used. It has 45,620 miles on it. Little scratch right here. Tires still have some tread on them. Little scuff right there. Back looks good. Not seeing any dents or dings in the door. Looks good. Again, this is Chad the Van Man with Sherry Vans in Piqua, Ohio. This is a 2022 Chrysler Voyager that we just had a brand new manual rear ramp added to. If you have any questions on this van or any of these other vans out here on the lot, please reach out to me, give me a call. My contact info is right beneath the video. Chad the Van Man. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks, folks.